Hello! For today's video, no? Nasa dagat tayo. Nandito tayo sa Casa de Asual Resort, no? So dito tayo gagawa ng ating Active 365. So for today, we will do some mobility exercises dahil nag-yoga tayo kahapon. So, ano ba ang gagawin nating flow ng mobility exercises natin? So, ganito siya. Una, mag-itchy worms tayo. Paano yan? Itchy worms. Kapang itchy worms, yan. Then, ang itchy worms, punta tayo sa Cobra Pose. So, baba. Cobra Pose. Yan, yan, yan. 2, 3, 4, and 8. Then, after the Cobra Pose, we do Child's Pose. Child's Pose. Child's Pose. Tignan natin yung squat. Then, after that, go up. Then, put our right leg kapantay ng ating right arm. So, ganyan. Then, sunod natin ang left side. Then, yan. So, move side to side para lumuwag ang ating hips. Side to side. Then, put your right arm up. Left arm up. Then, go up. Whew. Yes. So, nasa inyo yan. Kung ilan ang gagawin nyo, we could do 10 to 12. Then, yun, marirelease natin at may improve natin ang ating flexibility. So, for this day of our Active 365, this is Coach H. Bam. Out.